Pony. Today I am here with a jumbo, giant, monster Godzilla Fluttershy. I found this Fluttershy at CVS and it was $9.99, which I have to admit is a steal for a brushable pony in this size. And we're gonna be basically opening her up today and taking her out of her package. The back is just a picture of Fluttershy. It says Fluttershy likes taking care of her friends, comb her hair, and it gives you a very small comb, which I wouldn't really expect. It's like tiny, like the normal size brushable combs. Anyways, we're gonna be opening her up, so let's get her out of this icky box. I'm pretty sure you can find these like at Target or Walmart as well, but my best suggestion would be looking at CVS, and I find mine on the aisle that's like actually above everything else, not on the actual rack. So it was really hard. I didn't even notice until I was leaving, but yeah, let's get her out of this package. Yes, in case you're wondering, it is raining right now. That's why it's so dark. The Pegasus decided to schedule a downstorm for some reason, and I was totally unprepared. So my video was being interrupted by rain, but that's okay because we got Fluttershy out of the package. And I just want to show you up first the comb. Basically, it's like the same color as her, which is nice. It's a bit small, don't you think, Hasbro? Anyways, I skipped the part of me trying to get her tail out of the package because the band was connected to the back, and I like saving my rubber bands for hairstyling, so I always save my rubber bands. Anyways, let's get her hair untied and this icky thing off, and then we can review her. Okay, so here we have Fluttershy with her untied hair. It is very, very soft and really good quality, I think. It's smooth and silky, and I love how they actually tied it so it's not like super fizzy like it normally is. Like the hair is always awful. I'm not sure how I feel about how they're making Fluttershy's eyes lately. They're really like not very shy looking. Anyways, this pony specifically doesn't have any extra color or lightness in her eyes. It's just all one solid color like the bag ponies are, which I thought was a bit strange because the Rarity one actually does have extra color. But, you know, it's basically like a jumbo size of the normal brushable mold, but with extra awesome wings. Like these wings, like one of my favorite things about this pony herself is her wings. Her cutie mark is, of course, like her normal Fluttershy cutie mark, but it's not on the other side like always, which they really need to fix because in the actual show, they do have 2 cutie marks. So this is just a Hasbro disease that they have. The tail is not so good tied, but it's really curly and it's not as high quality. I don't think it doesn't feel as silky. Maybe it's because it's tangled and it looks kind of like greasy. I don't even know why. Let's put a spotlight on that tail real quick to show you. Anyways, it's getting really dark, isn't it? I better hurry this video up. Her head is really, it is movable and it's really like easy to move, basically. My favorite thing about this is it's like a perfect styling size. If you're one of those people like me who's a hair freak and loves doing everything with pony hair, you're going to absolutely love this pony. And you're gonna need some bigger rubber bands too because her head is like ginormous. Anyways, let's put a spot on her again, just so you can see more color. That's a little comb right there you're supposed to use. Wow. Anyways, my favorite part I think is definitely the wings. I just love the wings so much. Like seriously, I can't get over how beautiful the wings are. As you can see, the hair is extremely shiny and beautiful, and the eyes just don't look like Fluttershy in my opinion. Anyways, that wraps up this review. I do believe it's too rainy to hardly talk anymore, so have a great day. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe your opinions. And if you have seen the new, have you seen Applejack and Rainbow Dash in your stores yet, or even the Princess Celestia and Cadance ones that are coming out in this size, make sure to comment that down below because I haven't seen them in my stores. So far, the only ones I have seen is Fluttershy, Pinkie Pie, and Rarity. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.